How to disable YouTube Shorts. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now in order to disable YouTube Shorts, first of all make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the YouTube application. Now whenever you launch the YouTube application, make sure you're logged into your account, and generally you can see the shorts over here whenever just below the videos. You'll always be able to see the shorts section. So simply what you can do is you cannot disable YouTube Shorts permanently. Now we're going to tap on each short over here and then tap on not interested. Same you do with other videos as well, and then tap on the short section, three dotted lines over here, and then tap on show fewer shorts. As you do that, now just refresh the page, and here you'll be able to see that there are no shorts as of now. So you have disabled YouTube Shorts over here. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.